Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video will be about how to formulate a good hair regimen. I'm going to discuss three main hair regimens that we all have. One is the bad hair regimen. One is those ones who are trying to have a hair regimen but not there. Then we have the healthy hair regimen. So stay tuned guys so that you may get this information. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Yeah. So one of the greatest reasons why most of us fail in hair care and taking care of your hair, growth of hair, is because we don't have a plan or a foundation on how to maintain your hair. So I'm here to show you how you can formulate a good hair regimen. So let's begin with the types of hair regimens. There are three types of hair regimens. One, I have a notebook here, don't mind. One is the recessive maintenance hair regimen. The recessive maintenance hair regimen, these are the people who don't give a damn about how their hair is. So these people will keep on, wale watu wakushinda wameblow dry nywele. Today, tomorrow you're in the salon, your hair is having heat damage, you're chemicalizing your hair every now and then, you're dyeing your hair within a period of not more than 6 weeks. Usha dye, leo ni yellow, kesho ni brown. You're applying too much physical force on your hair. Those are the people who are following this recessive maintenance hair regimen. The recessive maintenance hair regimen people also don't have any moisture plans into their hair regimen. Like they don't have a moisturizer for their hair, they have nothing, but you'll find out that they're bombarding their hair with a lot of protein, and so their hair tends to break. The amount of breakage seems to be greater than the amount of growth, so automatically there's no progress there. Then we have the second type of people we call the basic maintenance hair regimen. The people who are under this category are the people who kind of try, like you wash your hair this month, then you wash your hair 2 months from now, but you still apply lots of heat, you use a lot of protein, you're trying to incorporate moisture, but you've really not gotten the concept of how to balance your moisture and your protein in your hair regimen. And then these people will tend to use relaxers, dyes. They have a bad diet, because you know diet is very important in hair growth. If you're not dieting, if you're eating junk a lot, you're not eating things rich in vitamins, maybe vitamin A or vitamin B, things that will will help grow out your hair, or biotin. If you're not taking things that are healthy, automatically your hair won't grow. So those are the people in the basic maintenance hair regimen. Then we have the people with the healthy hair regimen. Now I will really dwell on those people of the healthy hair regimen, because these people, they carefully plan and they do nice product selection. If you have not checked out my video on product selection, things you should check when you're selecting a shampoo or a conditioner, kindly go check that, because that is a basis on forming a hair regimen. So these people of the healthy hair regimen, they usually have formulated nice and a foundation in product selection. They have a plan on how they're going to maintain their hair. Then they're also very consistent with cleansing. This person is a person who has a nice hair regimen. You'll find out that they cleanse their hair once per week or twice per week, and it's very consistent throughout the year. That's the type of person who has a healthy hair regimen. Then the moisture is balanced with the protein. I'm going to talk maybe in another video, I'll dig deep into the moisture and protein balance, because that is very important. Most of us usually miss there. You find out your moisture is, you're doing really well in the moisture, but your hair doesn't have protein, so it automatically breaks, or you're overloading your hair with lots of proteins, so there's no moisture, and that also leads to damage to your hair. So I'll talk that in another video. But the people with a good hair regimen, they have a balanced moisture and protein levels. Then they also protect their hair from heat. Personally, I can't remember the last time I did heat. I think it was a week ago, and it was after a period of like a year. I had stayed over a year without heat in my hair, because throughout high school, a lot of heat to your hair, so it damages a lot of your it causes a lot of damage on your hair. So a person with a good hair regimen avoids heat at all costs and physical damage to your hair. You're using very small combs to get into that network of coils and everything. You're automatically damaging your hair, and you're not practicing the good hair care regimen methods. Then these people with a good hair regimen, they diet. you take foods that you know that are beneficial to your hair, your skin, and all that. Yeah, so that's all about the healthy hair regimen. How to formulate that hair regimen? A simple hair regimen just contains a shampoo, a conditioner, and under the conditioner we have the moisture infusing conditioner and the protein infusing conditioner. Then a good hair regimen also have the oils and the butters and the leave-in moisturizers, all that, and maybe a clarifying shampoo. So let me tell you how my hair regimen is. I usually cleanse my hair every week with a non-sulfate shampoo. Then I condition it with a moisture infusing conditioner every week or every 2 weeks. Then with the clarifying shampoo, I use the clarifying shampoo every 4 to 6 weeks. Then I use the protein infusing conditioner every 4 to 6 weeks. Then the clarifying shampoo, I've already talked about that. Then the leave-in conditioners, I use them daily depending on the hairstyle I have. Like if I have twist like this one, I will use the leave-in conditioner, which is moisture infusing daily, together with the oils for my scalp. I'll use them every night before I sleep. So I'll put a slide just after this video. I'll put a slide so that you can see how my hair care regimen is, and then we can proceed. So I hope you've checked out that slide that I've just displayed for a couple of seconds on the previous seconds before. Don't mind. So kindly follow that. Once you follow that, you will really see the benefit of growing out your hair, and your maintaining natural hair will be quite manageable for you because you have a plan. Failing to plan is planning to fail. Yeah, failing to plan is planning to fail. So if you don't plan for your hair, it will not grow. So that's it, guys. Just a short video on the formulating of a hair care regimen. If you have any questions, kindly leave them on the comment section, and be sure I will follow up and answer. And yeah, that's it. So check out my video on product selection. Watch that one first, then come watch this one, and you'll be good to go to select a good hair care regimen. Bye guys, till next time.